unpleasant duty, sadly, to announce a national tragedy involving the crash of a military helicopter this morning around the Adansi area in Ashanti region.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again. So today your host, I'm down. Even to bring this news to you, it's not easy because it's sad. Yes, measure the na makasa. Oboku pe bibia be dio. And so yenhwe de akoto. Oh, oba me kwaba o. Oh, meba me kwaba, but it's so unfortunate. They are all gone. May their precious lives and souls rest in perfect peace. Because they. So the Chief of Staff confirmed the passing of top officials and military personnel involved in an helicopter crash. The deceased persons are Dr. Edward Omane Boamah, Minister for Defense, Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, Minister for Environment, Alhaji Muniru Mohammed, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Dr. Sapon Samuel, Vice Chairman NDC, Mr. Samuel Abuaje, former parliamentary candidate, Squadron Leader Peter 7, Flying Officer Chum Ampadu, Sergeant Ernest Ado. We are with their families. Our condolences we send to them. Joe Studios, many Juma food in a Yamomo Yako, a Busian for Shama Shedding, and Chibiana Lumba call you. It's sad. Alright, ladies and gentlemen,